Newton's law of cooling. Boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius is placed in a refrigerator, a freezer, that has a temperature of negative 18 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the water is 50 degrees Celsius after 24 minutes. So the water started with a temperature of 100 degrees, was put in the freezer, and now after 24 minutes, it's 50 degrees Celsius. This is the equation we're going to be using. This part of the equation will pick up the object's temperature. This part of the equation, T sub 0, is going to pick up the environment temperature. In this case, a refrigerator temperature. That's where the object is being placed. And we need to find the B and the C before we use this equation. We're going to use the information they gave us. So at T equals 0, at the beginning, the boiling water's temperature is 100 degrees. So that goes here. That's the object's temperature. The refrigerator's temperature is negative 18 degrees Celsius. So that goes here. This number will replace this variable. And this happens at T equals 0 at the beginning. So this T is a 0. Anything to the 0 is 1. So all of this turns into 1. So it's C times 1 is C. So we just need to move this negative 18 over by adding a negative 18 to both sides of the equation. And now we have the C. Put the C where it goes. This is where the C was, but now we know the number. Now we go and find the B. So we use the information they gave us also. We know that in 24 minutes time, the water temperature went to 50 degrees. Remember, this is the object's temperature, and it went to 50 degrees in 24 minutes. Notice the only thing that's left to solve for is the B. So move all these numbers over to the other side one by one. So let's move the negative 18 over by adding a positive 18 on one side and adding a positive 18 on the other side. That puts us here. Now move this 118 by dividing both sides by 118. So now we have the B to the 24th power. Now notice this is the power. So what we're going to do is highlight that the other side of the equation has a power of 1. If you don't see a power, it's a power of 1. Now if you divide this 24 by a 24, we'll just divide this one by a 24. These two 24s cancel, and we have the B all by itself. Now we know the B equals 0.9773. So we have the equation. This equation is ready to answer the question. And what was the question? Find the temperature of the water after 76 minutes. So we just put the 76 here, and it'll give us the object's temperature, in this case, the water's temperature. Find the temperature of the water after 76 minutes. So the T takes the 76, key this in, and the water temperature after 26 minutes will be 2.6 degrees Celsius.